What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug, where we dive into how real people are using AI to make money right now. Today, we're exploring 3 incredible AI tools that are transforming lives and building scalable income streams across various industries. Let's get started. First up, ChatGPT automation. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs. People are using ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, generate social media posts, and even create digital products that sell on autopilot. By stacking prompts and connecting it to tools like Zapier, they're automating their entire workflow. Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the power of ChatGPT. Next, we have Midjourney. This tool is revolutionizing digital design and turning creativity into cash. From designing t-shirts to crafting stunning NFTs and logos, Midjourney is making art accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a pro artist. Just be creative with your ideas and prompts, and watch the money flow in. Finally, let's talk about Runway. This tool is a game changer for content creators and businesses alike. It creates studio-quality videos, removes backgrounds, and generates realistic scenes in minutes. People are launching faceless YouTube channels and promotional videos without ever stepping in front of a camera. Runway is literally replacing production crews, making it one of the most powerful AI tools out there. When you combine ChatGPT for ideas, Midjourney for visuals, and Runway for videos, you've got a complete AI-powered business machine. Those who master these tools are building digital empires right now, not in a decade. This is the age of leverage. Work smarter, not harder, and let AI do the heavy lifting. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And don't forget to join our 250 giveaway by commenting AI below. This is Online Money Plug, where we make money smarter, faster, with the tools of the future.